Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes, this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we're talking about something super cute and super fun.
Our pets, and how we feed them. Because food isn't just for people. Pets have their favorite meals too.
Haha, that's right. So get ready for today's warm story. Feeding my pet, talking about food and habits. Let's begin. This morning, I was in my kitchen, making breakfast for my cat, Milo. He was meowing loudly like, "Hey, where's my food?"
Oh, my dog Rocky does the same thing. He wakes me up every day at 7 a.m., like a little alarm clock on four legs.
Oh, that's so sweet. So what do you usually feed Rocky?
I give him dry dog food in the morning, and a little boiled chicken at night. He loves it. But sometimes he looks at me like, "Come on, Adam, where's the steak?"
Haha, Milo is the same. He eats fish and cat biscuits, but he's picky. If I change his food, he just walks away with his tail up, like a tiny king. Okay, friends, let's learn some useful words from our story.
Pet food. Food made especially for animals. Example, I buy pet food every week.
Habit, something you do often, almost every day. Example, feeding my pet in the morning is my daily habit.
Checkmark picky eater, someone or a pet who doesn't like many foods. Example, my cat is a picky eater. She only eats fish.
Treat, a small piece of special food, usually as a reward. Example, I give my dog a treat when he listens to me.
Checkmark bowl, a round dish, where we put food or water. Example, I fill my dog's bowl with water every morning.
Now, friends, it's your turn. Let's repeat together, nice and slowly.
I feed my pet every morning. Your turn.
My pet loves treats. Your turn.
My cat is a picky eater. Your turn.
Feeding my pet is my favorite habit. Your turn.
Okay, now some real-life English. Expressions that people use about pets.
In the doghouse means someone is in trouble. Example, I forgot to feed Rocky. Now I'm in the doghouse.
Curiosity killed the cat. Means don't be too curious. Example, Milo climbed on the fridge again. Curiosity killed the cat.
Every dog has its day means everyone gets a good day eventually. Example, even if your pet is lazy today, don't worry. Every dog has its day.
You know, Alice, pets really teach us something beautiful. They remind us to care, to love, and to be patient.
Yes, when you feed your pet every day, it's not just food, it's love, it's connection.
And learning English is kind of the same. You need to feed your mind every day with words, stories, and kindness.
Exactly. A little learning each day builds big success. Okay, friends, a quick fun quiz. Choose your answer and say it out loud.
What do we call food for pets? A, human food. B, pet food. Yes, pet food.
What's a picky eater? Someone who A, eats everything. B, doesn't like many foods. That's right, someone who doesn't like many foods.
Great job, everyone.
So friends, remember, learning English is just like feeding your pet. Do it with love and do it every day.
Yes. Keep learning little by little, and soon your English will grow strong, just like a happy, healthy pet.
We're proud of you. Keep smiling, keep learning, and we'll see you next time on Amjee's English World.